Hello everyone, welcome to Aileen Bite Tips. Today we're going to make the most popular drink in Taiwan, Boba milk tea. So first, we need a big pot and boil it. It's about 2 liters of water. And when you boil, we add 2 cups of boba inside. And turn the heat to the high heat. And stir until it boils again. And when it's boiled, keep stirring and turn the tea to the middle heat and let it cook. And we're going to stir each 5 minutes. For a total of 20 minutes. Okay, while we're waiting for the boba, we need to cook the sugar water for the boba and for the drink we're going to make. So for this part, empty part, we put 1 cup of water. And this one, also 1 cup of water. And 2 cups of sugar. This one is 2 cups of brown sugar. And turn the heat on to the middle heat. And stir until it boils. And turn off the heat. You need to stir until the sugar dissolves. When you see the small bubble and it's almost boiled, so it's ready. The sugar water is ready to use. So turn off the heat and set it aside to wait. Alright, while we're waiting for the boba, we are going to cook the green tea. Use 1 liter of cold water and boil it. And put the green leaf inside. And then put the lid on. Turn the heat to the minimum small heat to let it cook about 10 minutes. Okay, stir each 5 minutes to make sure it's not stick on the bottom. Okay, so right now 20 minutes is up. We need to stir for the last time and put the lid on. Turn off the heat and let it shimmer for 30 minutes. So green tea is arrived at 10 minutes. You need to turn off the heat and pour the green tea over the sieve. And the green tea is ready. Alright, so 30 minutes is up. The boba is ready to wash. Let's go wash it. Alright, we use a clean colander and turn on the cold water. And pour the boba inside to wash it. While we're washing it, we should stir so that the boba not too sticky. Okay. Okay, we took the boba inside the brown sugar syrup we cooked earlier. You must put the boba inside the brown sugar syrup to soak at least 15 minutes. Right, first step, we're gonna put 2 spoons of boba inside the cup. Set it aside. And now we're gonna make boba green milk tea. We use 2 cups of green tea and 3 tablespoons of white sugar syrup and half cup of milk. Also 1 teaspoon of whipping cream. And then we add 2 cups of ice. It's ready to shake. Right, and then we pour the drink inside our cup. Open to pour some ice. Okay, it's ready. Very good. So delicious. Okay, this is our fresh green milk tea with boba we make today. You can also change the tea to black tea, Earl Grey tea, oolong tea, other tea you desire. And also the milk, if you cannot take any dairy, you can also pick soy milk or oat milk, any other milk as well. Hope you like it.